Hi everyone. So today's problem of the day is find minimum in a rotated sorted array. What is given in description? Suppose an array of length n sorted in ascending order is rotated between 1 and n times. For example, the array nums equals to 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 might become 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2. We are rotating it. That means we are keeping these value here only, and 0, 1, 2 we are shifting from front to the back. If it was rotated by 4 times, it will look something like this. And if it is rotated by 7 times, then it will look something like this, because here we are keeping 7 here only, and 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Um, that is same only, because total 7 elements are there, so it will be same like the initial array. Now notice that rotating an array a of 0, a of 1, a of 2 up to a of n one time result in the array this. One times means this last element will come at the front. Given the rotated array nums of unique elements, return the minimum element of this array. You must write an algorithm that runs in big of log n. So if we will be seeing the example it is given 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So what will be the minimum? Minimum will be 2. So we can return, minimum will be 1, so we can return 1. If we will see the second example, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2. So what will be the minimum? Minimum is 2, so 0, so we can return 0. Now constraint n value start from 1 till 5,000. 5,000 means 5 into 10 to the power 3. So so if we will try with the brute force approach, so in brute force approach, what we can do, we can start from I equals to 1 till n minus 1, and we can see if our previous element is less than our current element. That means if previous element is less than our current element, and it is given that the array is sorted in ascending order. So ascending means increasing order. So if our previous element is smaller than current element, that means the current element will be our minimum, because previous element is greater than our current element. So we will get the minimum directly, and if we will not get in this loop, then it is obvious that the first element will be that is at 0 index, the element will be minimum. This is the brute force approach, and it will the time complexity of this will be big of n. But in our question, it is for this it is big of n. But in our question, it is given like we need to solve it in big of log n. So what in log n we can, since it is a sorted array, so we can think of using a binary search. So we all know that in binary search the complexity will be log of n. And how we can solve it with the help of binary search, we can if there is an array of something like 2, 4, 8, 3, 1, something like this, then what we need to do, we will initialize our one pointer here, like lowest pointer at 0th index and highest pointer at n minus 1th index. We are doing it here. And if we need to run while loop till j is greater than I. So we will be initially finding the mid value. Then we will check if our mid value is suppose this. Then we will check if our that mid value is this last element value is greater than our mid value. Then that means this side is already shorted. Then we need to traverse in this side. So we can do j equals to that highest pointer equals to mid. And if our opposite will happen, like this last element is this is our mid, this last element is not greater than our mid element. That means our lowest will be there from this part only, till mid plus 1 till the highest pointer j. So we will do else I equals to mid plus 1 if our last element value is not greater than this mid value. If it is greater, then our answer will lie between this L till mid. And at the end, we can return nums of I, because at the end, if we are looping I and j, then at the end, our j equals to b will be I only. And that will be our answer. So instead of nums of I, we can return nums of j also. So if we will see the time complexity in this case, it will be big of log n, and space complexity is constant, that is big of 1. So yeah, thank you.